See, first of all, I'm a great admirer of Jaggi Vasudev also. It doesn't mean that I'm a great fan of him. I admire him in a lot of ways. But I personally, I got an objection because that was not the occasion to speak. According to me, that was not the occasion to speak. If Jaggu Vasudevji wants to speak on such occasion, such things, but that was not a platform because it was on a Shivratri event. I think he should speak more about Shivaji rather than talking about the controversial issue. If that is the case, then he has to go in detail. Then he has to have a debate. He has to come, then he has to speak on every aspect. For example, then why didn't he speak about Pulwama? Then he should have questioned where did the 300 kgs of RDX came. That can go on. See, I think they're picking and choosing and speaking and pleasing the government. If that was Jaggi Vasudev's concern, he should have raised the issue when the government, UPA government was there. Why didn't he do that? I'm not blaming him, but when he has got right to question, I've also got right to question. I'm not trying to say, but I personally feel he should not use such platforms to speak on one side of the agenda where he is trying to glorify the present government.